Good day everyone, we're back on day 8 in our reading tutorials. This is Teacher Len, and if you don't want to miss the lessons, just follow us and subscribe to this channel to get updated for new reading videos. So, are you ready kids? Yes, did you do our homework yesterday? Remember I gave you a homework yesterday. This one, did you do it? Did you show it to your mom or dad? If you did, then you are doing a good job. You are a responsible kid and you are positively proud. Very good. Okay, here's the lessons for today. Read words with vowel A sound and read words with vowel E sound. Okay, so ready? So let's do this one. Give the letters and their sounds. So all you have to do is just say the letter and then the sound. Ready? A, A, B, B, T, T, M, M, C, K, E, E, G, G, B, B, S, S. All right, very good. Now it's your turn. You can do it. Ready? Just say the letter and then the sound. Alright, very good. So just keep on repeating doing this until you master the letter sounds. Okay, let's do this activity. Match the pictures with the correct beginning sound of each letter. So all you have to do is just use your pointing finger and match them. Okay, start now. You can pause this video and be back after you've done. Okay, let's check. Number 1, letter M, milk. Letter T, tent. Letter E, eggplant. Letter G, goose. Letter P, pot. Okay, I want you to read. Ready? Sound it first. Next. 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 Last one. Alright, so if you got the correct answers, you're cool. Now read the words with short vowel A sound. So remember that letter A is a vowel sound, right? So let's read. At, at. Again, at, at. K, ab, cab. Again, k, ab, cab. Next, t, ab, tab. Again, t, ab, tab. Man. Again, man. Next, b, ag, bag. B, ag, bag. G, ap, gap. G, ap, gap. P, at, pat. P, at, pat. S, at, set. S, at, set. Now it's your turn. Ready? Okay, sound it first. Ready? Begin. Again. Next. Again. Next. Again. Next. Next. Again. Okay, next. Again. Next. Sound it. Again. Next. Again. Last one. Again. Wow, good job. Very good. Okay, let's read more. At. Again. At. Next. Cub. Cub. Tub. Tub. Man. Man. Bag. Bag. Gup. Gup. Pat. Pat. Set. Set. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. At. All right, very good. Now, let's read the words with short vowel E sound. So this time, letter E, sound as eh. Don't forget that letter E is a vowel. Ready? Let's sound it first. Follow this pointer. B, at, bat. Again. B, at, bat. Next. M, at, met. M, at, met. Next. S, at, set. S, at, set. Next. P, at, pet. Again. P, at, pet. G, at, get. Again. G, at, get. Next. P, ast, pest. Again. P, ast, pest. Next. B, egg, bag. Again. B, egg, bag. Next. P, egg, peg. Again. P, egg, peg. Next. M, egg, meg. Again. M, egg, meg. Now it's your turn. Sound it first. Next. 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 And last one. Good job. Very good. Okay, once more. Bat. At, mat. Okay, come on, read on your own. We are now here. Next. X. Next. 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 Last one. Very good. So, you did a good job today. You are a star is born. Yes, you are a star. So, that's it for today. Lessons tomorrow. So, goodbye, kids. See you tomorrow. God bless you.